a set of fitting some numbers wherever it has mentioned that a farmer had a rectangular land containing 205 trees. He distributed that land among his 4 daughters, we call it A, B, C, D, by dividing the land into 12 plots along 3 rows, which is X, Y, Z, and 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, as shown in the figure. The plots in rows X, Y, Z containing mango, teak, and pine trees. Let me consider this is mango, this is teak, and this is pine trees. Each plot had trees in non-zero multiple of 3 and 4, and none of the plots had the same number of trees. All are different. Each daughter got an even number of plots. In the figure, the number mentions in top left corner. So it is even number of plots everyone got. In the figure, there are two things. Number, like this is 12 and C. 12 is in this plot, number of trees, and C got that particular plot. Some information in this figure got erased, but the following is known. To get that information, let us keep that all table and all of the data together. Now we have taken that table and the data that we need to fit. Ava got 20 trees more than Chitra, but 6 trees less than Deepti. The informations we can take like that. A, B, C, D. Let's say Chitra got X number of trees. So Abha will be 20 trees more. So it should be X plus 20. And Chitra, but 6 trees less than Deepti. That means it should be X plus 26. We don't know about B. This is our point number 1. Point number 2. Largest number of trees in a plot was 32, but it was not our. Okay. Point number 3. The number of tick trees in column 2. Column 2, this is tick, because this is given mango trees, teak trees, and pine trees. So number of teak trees in column 3. Teak trees in column 3 was double of the column 2, but half of the column 4. So if I am considering, let's say this is Y, so it should be 2Y, and this is 4Y. That point. Both Ava and Bina got a higher number of plots than Deepti. Number of plots. Let's say number of plots A, B, C, D, small a, B, C, D. So as for that, it has mentioned that Abha and Bina got higher number of plots than Deepti. That means A, B, this is basically more than D. So it is taken. Only Bina, Chitra, and Deepti got corner plots. B and C is here, so these two would be also B, C, D. Anyway, it would be divided. Deepti got two adjoining plots in the same row. Adjoining plot in the same row. Anywhere it is. Bina was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Okay. Chitra and Deepti did not get plots which are adjacent to each other, either in row, column, or diagonal. Very important point. C and D plots, it would not be anything close. Then already C and this is 2C given. So D cannot be these location, these location, these and these. Only D can be these three location. Now these three location and two locations, it has also mentioned Dipti got two adjacent plots in the same row. So definitely these would be D and these would be D. So D and D, this would be DD. Now where extra C it can be? Both Abha and Meena got higher number of plots than Deepti. Deepti two plots. After that, maximum here it can be. So it should be three. Three is not allowed. So these two would be only for Deepti. And Abha and Bina more than two numbers. So it should be four in numbers. So both would be four plots and it would be two. Okay. This is the adjacent. Number of mango trees was double the number of teak trees. So mango trees are double two times of teak trees. That is the information. Okay, let us try to go with these plots information. Abha and Bina that has been considered, it would be 442. Only Bina, Chitra and Dipti got corner plots. Bina, Chitra and Dipti. So it should be either B or C. C already 2. C cannot be this one. Cannot be these ones. C can be only here. But again, C, three numbers is not possible. So definitely these two would be C. It would remain C. So C fulfilled, D fulfilled, A 2 in number. That's I can see. A need to be 4 in number and B need to be 4 in number. Achha. In every row and column, Bina has only one who got the plot in each row and each column. This is here B present. Here one number of B I need to feed. There this row only one place for B. So B need to be here. So second row done. Third one B can be anywhere. Achha. Fourth one already AD done. So it should be B. And in this case, no B present, B need to be 4. So these would be B again. And what would be A? 1, 2. A need to be 4 in number, so these both would be A. Let me write it down. This is A. This is A. So this is the plot distribution as per the given diagram. Okay. Now after distribution of plots, we need to find out the number. We know that mango tree, it should be double of these number, and the number of teak trees, it would be 21 plus 7y. We can see another information that maximum number is 32 and 32 cannot be this one. 4y cannot be 32. That means y need to be less than 8. So y is less than 8. But y is a number. So basically, what are the values of y possible? Y may be 3, 4 or 6. If y is 3, then the number of trees will be 3, 6 and 12. But 12 already done. So 3 cannot be. If it is 4, then 4, 8 and 16. 4, 8 and 16. That is again another possibility. It is possible. But if it is 6, 6, 12 and 24, but 12 again not done. So 6 also out. So I need to be 4. What does it mean? We can find it out the number here. So this is 4, this is 8 and this is 16. So I have received one information, that is the data in these 3 plots, number of trees will be this much. Okay. So total number of trees in this case, it is coming as 20 plus 29, that is 49. 49, that means this would be 98. So this is coming as 203. From that 203 it is less. So total number of trees is given as 20. Total number of trees is 205. Already this is done, which is 147. So it should be 58 number of trees would be here. Now that 58, out of that 28, 37 number of trees here. So it would be 21 number of trees in this case. BC 21. Again, we can find it out some number. These are the number of Abha, Bina, Chitra and Dipti. These are numbers. We have received the total number for Abha, because Abha, these are the cells 9, 16, 25, 25, 4, that is 29, 29 and 21, that is 50. Our number of trees total is 50. Then these would be 20 less 30. These would be 6 more 56. Dipti 6 more 56. Okay. Chitra 30, but two things are there, 12 and these. So it should be to get the 12 plus 18, it would be 18. It is 18, so this number is coming as 21, so it should be 3. And here, to get this 98, 12 if you subtract, so this part would be 86. 86 here. And this is 56 also. So these 86, these 3 as 86. We can find, we know that maximum is 32. So one data is 32 out of that, because there is no other 32. 32, if it is other data, if I am considering multiple of 3 and 4, but not same, so another data I can take 30 and 24. 30, 32, 30 and 24. These are the 3 data possible to distribute here. I will not be able to do anything other, because any multiple, one is 32 and other, to make it 54, multiple of 3 and 4 data distribution and less than 32 is not possible. So 32, 30 and 24, these would be the 3 data, and already I know that D is 56. So it should be 32 and 24. So in this case, 2 data it would be One is 32, another is 24. So these would be 30. So this is the entire distribution of trees we can find. Now, first question. How many mango trees were there in total? Mango trees 98. So answer would be option 1. Second question. Which of the following is the correct sequence of trees received by Abha, Bina, Chitra and Dipti? Abha is 50. So that is 50, 69, 30 and 56. So these would be the third one as per the sequence. How many pine trees did Chitra receive? Pine trees means third row, Chitra receives, that is 18. So answer is option 2, 18. Fourth question, who got the plot with the smallest number of trees and how many trees did that plot have? Smallest number is 3 here of B, Bina 3 trees. Option 4 will be the answer of the question. Question number 5, which of the following statement is not true? Dipti got 56 number of mango trees, 56 mango trees. It is mango trees and 56, so it is true. That means it is out. Ava got 41 teak trees. Teak trees, Ava, 3 such numbers, so it should be 41. It is also right information, out. Bina got 32 pine trees. Pine trees and Bina is 28 plus 3, that means 31. So this is my answer. Not true will be this one. But Chitra got 12 mango trees. Chitra got 12 mango trees. It is also right. So answer for this is option 3. Now last question, which column had the highest number of trees? Now we can see that 32 and 24 it can alter. But whatever it is, if it is 24 also, then the total 24 plus 16, 40 plus 28, that means 68 will be higher than these number because it is coming as 49. So basically our answer would be last column. Which column had the highest number of trees? Column number 4, fourth column. So basically option 2 would be the answer in this case.